Hi guys, this is a new macaws arrived to my place. They are all babies, hand raised. This is a green wings macaw, beautiful babies and very clean. They are around 10 weeks old. And I have here as well the Catalina macaw, babies hand raised. They are about 8 weeks, 7 to 8 weeks old. And this here scarlet macaw. And just I sent the DNA today. Scarlet macaw, hand raised, and blue and gold macaw. They are about 8 weeks old. Still babies, all hand raised, and we feed them 3 times a day, and all beautiful. Hello. Good boy.